So you've been hearing about remote job everywhere, people working from home, and you've been wondering, how can I do this? Come closer, this video is for you. Remote job is not for the techies and for the tech bros alone. That particular skill you have is enough. All you need is the strategy, the tips, and how to position yourself the right way to be able to attract those high paying jobs that you can do remotely. So if this is you, hit the subscribe button because on this channel, I give you free tips and free strategies that I used myself and it works for me, and I'm giving it out for beginners or someone who cares or who needs it. So let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do is knowing how to communicate that thing that you know how to do. And first of all, go and create a LinkedIn profile, and on the headline, put the particular skill that you have. Put the thing that you can do. If you have the skills to sell, if you can market, whatever is it that you can do, go out there on the headline while creating your LinkedIn profile. Put it out there and use a particular keyword that will rank high when your recruiters are searching for the people to give these jobs to. On the LinkedIn banner, put your email and the particular thing that you can do: customer service, customer chat support agent, whatever is it that you can do, video editing, voice over. There are a wide range of things that you can do, and you can work remotely. So after creating your LinkedIn profile, in the about section, that place, the bio, that is where you explain what you can do. This is whom I am, these are the things I can do, and these are the problems I can solve with this particular skill that I have. Little by little, you start putting out the jobs that you've been doing in this particular field that you're looking to land your remote job on. Any project you do, you can even do a video introducing yourself, what you can do. Because let me tell you something, these recruiters and these employers, they want to see your face, they want to hear you talk. This is another way of showcasing what you can do without even landing that interview. Because let me tell you, so many recruiters and employers are there on LinkedIn every day looking for the qualified candidates that they can give out these jobs to. So you being able to record, even if it's 60 seconds of yourself, introducing what you do, why you do it, how you do it, the problem you can solve with this particular skill that you have, has given you 10 steps ahead of people that are not doing the same thing that you're doing. So if you have these skills and you want to work remotely, you must not even land a full-time job. You can go for a 3 months contract. You can even do a particular job, charge the price of that particular job, and just make your money. And after every job you do for a particular client, always request for recommendation. When these people are going through your profile, when they see recommendations, they read through to see, does this person know what they're doing? Is this person just positioning for the positioning of landing this job? Or is this person really, really skilled in this particular field they claim to be skilled in? And the next thing to do is when some of them come to your DM to ask you for what you can do, that is where you sell yourself. Just don't say, good afternoon, my name is, sell yourself. The first thing you need to do is to tell them what you can do. Don't go and be wasting time and be doing proper introduction. No, sell yourself by starting with the problem that you'll be solving for them. If you tell this particular recruiter what you can do for their organization, the impact you can bring to their business, the positive results that you can give them, if they ever give you a chance, that is what they need. So if they ever come to your DM, be ready to go all out. Tell them what you can do. Keep it brief and concise, but be able to deliver what you need them to know. In the first line and the second line, those things you know you can do, put yourself out there, learn how to communicate your value. So that remote job is not for people that can code, it's not for people that have the big skill, it's not for people that have fancy connections. When you position yourself rightly, you'll be able to land that remote job and join the people that can work from home. So if you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel, like, and leave me a comment if you've tried any of this, if you're planning to try it, and if you have any question whatsoever, leave me a comment and I'll be glad to answer all of your questions. And my name is Queen Valen. Until I see you next time, bye.